Oh, hello everybody, this is Daniel here, and I am joined again by Cactus Gamer for another episode of Minecraft server building. And yeah, we're building the shop.
We're just extending out the shop a bit, just a tiny bit.
Just a small bit.
How to build a fountain. I'm gonna have a nice fountain. Wow, like some of these fountains are ridiculous. You know what? I'm gonna stop recording again, right? And I'm going to build a fountain, and then I'll start recording again once it's done, because it's lagging too much to start building. So, see, sorry about that. My fraps. But I'm back. And it's laggy a bit.
If you're wondering what those buildings are, so if I go /warp spleef, so it says coming soon spleef. And guys, I think this summer, once the server is all like ready and done, we're gonna release this server to the public using MT for hosting. So we need, when we're doing the series, we need some donations. I don't know, anything. I don't know. Once I have it set up, I'll take donations. I'm sure Cactus will take some donations.
Yeah, we'd really appreciate it. It'll help us keep the server going.
Like, if we don't have the money to keep the server going,
then there is no server.
Yeah. And while like we can pay for some of it, we need so there's pretty much 5 of us or 4 of us that like are going to be admins and owners of the server, but
like
we need, like, we're all going to pitch in. It's $60 a month for it. We live, of course, in Ireland, but you know, that's besides the point. It's $60 a month, so we need at least maybe $10 from every month to keep the server going, because we're all, what you think, $10 a month?
Yeah, roughly about that.
From us as well. If there's 4 or 5 of us playing on the server and actually putting $10 towards it every month, then you know, we can have the server going forever, like. And if there were 6 of us, we wouldn't ask you, so you know.
Yeah,
it's a very serious matter.
Yeah, the donations are highly appreciated, like, because it helps keep the server going, and it helps everyone else, and in the end it actually makes everyone happy because the server stays going. It makes us happy because we can keep the server stay going, and it makes everyone happy because the server is there. So in the end it actually makes a really big difference if you donate. Enough of the donation stuff.
Let's go back to building.
Yep.
That was just a serious thing in our episode. Just saying that we're probably going to do that kind of a bit every episode. Like at the end of the episode, just going, please donate server. So I think once we finish the map, we will release it for download. We'll release all the plugins that we use for download, or you know, and probably make a website. I'm loving you eating that crisp on camera.
Oh, shut up, Daniel.
So yeah. Again, donations appreciated. Anyway, so let's get back to building. So this is all I have done at the moment. This is fire charges. This is a water bucket.
You need to put up higher because if you want to sell them.
Yeah, we can just put them here.
Well, then how are we meant to know what one is which? Like what? Like what's this then? What's 385? Exactly. You didn't think about that, did you?
Oh, no, it's a fire charge. I know what it is.
Yeah, but I don't. And chances are a lot of people don't. Daniel as well though. My dad, like, he used to actually make websites. That, like, he used to just...
My dad makes websites, so...
My dad makes websites as well. He's like a computer genius.
Same. So, guys, again, this map that we're going to be building, this is actually an entire server kind of thing. If you want to use it for your own server, we don't really care about copyright stuff.
Yeah.
But it would be appreciated if you just kind of give us a shout out.
Yeah. And as well, if you are using it, just make sure you tell us before you actually start using it.
Yeah, because
Or else we will care about copyright. Put it that way.
if you don't tell us, we'll press charges. We'll go to court. The
We'll bring
online
you to
court.
court from live from Skype court if you're in a different country.
Yeah. No, guys, we'll just get YouTube or something. If you're gonna put it up on YouTube, guys, you have to give us a shout out in the description. So yeah. I'm gonna put down a sign like Spawn made by and stuff.
Yeah. I'm just showing off the sky block.
So if you want colored signs, guys, this is what you do. Spawn.
And look, I'm also going to show off the sky island. We were only messing around, but
yeah.
Here's my island. Yeah. There's Mr. Froggyfish, also known as Tactical Gaming, and there's Daniel's, the piece of bedrock. I'm only messing. Behind that, you can see that. But
So I'll go to the sky island. So. Whoa!
Whoa!
Blown up by creeper.
Did the spawn blow up?
No, it was only my island.
Oh, okay. So anyway, look, I'm just flying around. See all the bedrock in the air, don't mind that. Here's Daniel's place.
There's your old place, I'm guessing.
There's my place that has the lava flowing over it from this douchebag. So I'm just gonna...
Should we blow up his house?
He griefs me. He gets grief back.
On video.
On a video. And if he's watching this, it's your own fault, Corey.
I set TNT off. It doesn't do anything though.
Oh, it's TNT off.
Yeah, I have World Guard stuff on.
Oh, okay.
Just so people don't go like, hey, I can do all of that.
Look at your island. It's gone. So people won't grief other people's islands.
This is what happens.
And this will be happening more often.
This is so funny. Like
he's going to spawn and be like, what the fuck?
PG, man. PG.
Okay, that's the one problem with me recording you. I don't do PG.
Oh, look, come under the island. Come under the lava. It looks so cool.
Whee! This looks awesome.
We should like build a secret base.
That's what I'm going to do actually. Just build in here. Let's be like...
I know we said we were going to build
But this is just payback. Once this, I'd say, once we're done this, we're going to carry on.
This is just the troll. Can we just name this the trolley episode?
Yeah. I'm going to protect our base. Oh, whoops.
I'm done.
No, watch this. I'm going to protect our base. Like, once we have a roof, I'm making the roof out of sticky piston. Why not? Like if you think sticky piston is a good roof design. I think it is.
Meh. You know, you can't really beat this, though.
But he's not going to know it's here, because there's going to be...
You can't really beat this. Look at my character.
I'm a cactus.
Just look at me.
Oh yeah, if you want to know where I got the name Cactus Gaming, we were actually on this server messing around, and we could put stuff on our head. And I put a cactus on my head, and I goes, "What's a good YouTube name?" And they all said Cactus Gamer.
I came up with the idea.
Yeah. Thanks to the hub.
Hey.
No. No.
I think you put too much lava in there. I like can't see the base.
That's the whole point.
We'd have to set like a home there.
I am.
Okay, I did it. Yeah.
Here, let me TP you.
I'm setting this hidden home.
That's what Daniel and MTV what I'm gonna do.
Look at my head.
Oh, damn.
Can't beat that, like.
And put a sign on there for me, do private.
I have a move thing.
Oh yeah. Daniel, I'm gonna see if I can.
What about you, door? No, I can't say already. My door is still badass.
Try and open the door, Daniel. That one, the one that has the name on it. The door that has my name on it.
That's cool. I'm an op, so I can open it.
Okay, de-op yourself.
No.
Yes.
No permission here, Ireland owner, Mr. Foggyfish.
That's what you do.
Can you opt me there?
What do I do?
/opt DHP01. Thank you. This is such a small place.
Here, put my name on that chest as well. This is such a troll. I am Mr. Froggy Fish. They're like, you cannot open the container owned by Mr. Froggy Fish 1. I'm like, I am Mr. Froggy Fish 1. No, put the earth there. Do you know what I should do? Double defense. Don't tell him, please. Whoa!
That's actually kind of cool. We have like the escape route.
I don't know how to get back in.
Defeats me. There you go.
Okay. Look, double protection. Why can't I?
What block cushions fall damage?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, I'm still recording.
So am I. This might be a long episode.
Yeah.
Whoops, I might have done that a bit wrong. What the hell? Stop.
I think this is just the trolley episode.
Yeah. Once we finish this now, we'll end the episode.
Could I put my name on that chest?
Yeah. You do the door, so. I put a sign on it, but it wouldn't work. I just put loads of signs on doors. Sorry guys if you think this is boring.
Yeah. Sorry about this. It's just we kind of want to do this.
It's a must do. After what he done to my house. Can you tee up me there?
7.
Oh, no, it's okay, GMs or GMS.
There.
Put on all door. Oh. Put your name on the chest. Do the chest.
Wait, put our names on the chest at the same time.
Home. Snake. Oh, okay. We put our things at the... Alright, put our signs down.
1, 2, 3.
No.
Okay, 1.
How'd you do it? So,
You got your sign, you place it down. 1, 2, no. On my count.
Oh, slash
1,
GMC.
2, 1, 2, 3.
You done 1, 2,
2, 3.
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
We're going so fast. 1, 2, 3.
Anyway, okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay.
Oh, I go so.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, I pressed at the same time.
1,
Do you know what we should do? Is
2.
put doors.
Oh yeah.
I'll put my sign in the chest so he can't get past. And you're off as well. The op Corey. So he can't do it. Yes. But I'll put. We can break the. Here, I'll put my sign on it. Put the door down.
Done.
My name's all capitals.
It doesn't matter.
No.
Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's the end of this episode. If you enjoyed, leave a like, possibly subscribe.
No, let's go
This has been
first.
Daniel.
Let's go to the spawn. Let's go spawn. Cause I want to go on F5 mode.
Good.
I'm at spawn.
Okay,
No, let's go.
good.
Let's go down to shop so they'll see what we've done this episode and what we've kind of achieved.
Okay. So I'm wearing TNT in my head, so.
Oh, I gotta put on a cactus.
So guys, this has been Daniel. If you liked it, please leave a like, possibly subscribe. This has been Daniel. This has been, and that is Cactus Gamer.
Woohoo!
Right there.
That's me.
See you later, everybody.
See you next time.
Goodbye.